Yahweh bless us all in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. How is everyone? Today at 2 o'clock, about an hour ago, I was going to run a video called Project Gamma and Gamma Loops versus Time Loops. Project Omega Labyrinth Programming. How I recognize these types of MKUltra programming, how I broke them, and how to move forward in your life. Critical thinkers, researchers, and fellow MKUltras are welcome to join me specifically on these topics. All mockers, scoffers, uneducated persons, sleeping sheeple, and ones who do not continue on with educating themselves beyond college or school after high school will not suit well in this open discussion. Also, I want to add to that is Project Looking Glass. Now, there's other projects and there's other programming, such as some people might think that Looking Glass is like programming with colors, but it's not. I'm going to have to disagree on that point. Color programming is like Labyrinth programming. Project Looking Glass is something very different. Now, on these topics, I have looked up, for instance, Project Ibis, and I'm really grateful for the super soldiers that came before me because they're pioneers and they paved a road and a path for me to talk about these. You look up Project Ibis and you find James Casbolt video, and I'm grateful to him. However, when I try to look up that Project Ibis, for instance, there's nothing on it. So I'm going to make videos starting to discuss these projects that I was exposed to in underground military bases and above ground government facilities. I'm an ex-super soldier from Black Operations. The things that we worked on in deep underground military bases are Black Operations. I know that everybody has this certain pre-thought, this certain notion in their head where they think that Black Ops is, one function of Black Operations, yes, where, you have someone who wants to be a Navy SEAL and their whole life they've been military and have an aptitude towards it, and they voluntarily go into Black Operations and they're put in teams of 4 and they're dropped into behind enemy airlines and they go in to do some rescue mission, which is few and far between, but they normally go in and start assassinating people. They're in smaller squads. They jump in, their team comes and gets them and brings them out. That's Black Operations, yes, but another function and facet of it is what I was exposed to. So I'm not lying to you when I say I'm from Black Operations. I'm telling you the truth because I am from deep underground military bases. Your tax dollars funded the Black Operations me and the other kids were trafficked on. So these projects, Beta, Omega, Looking Glass, Pegasus, Ibis, Seagate, all of them, I'm going to round up as many people's opinions from what they research on, like Hot Retarded Chicks. He's done, we'll get into that. He's done some research, the research I've done on the internet. And I welcome all of you to come and share the research and your findings and share it, because I think more videos need to be put out about these topics so MKUltra survivors can have a chance to deprogram, use their free will, and go live a quality life that Yahweh built for them. But again, everyone, I'm going to tell you that right now it's 3:01 p.m. November 10th. I'm really sorry for running late. But I did post a notification up on my pages that said I would not be running this video today, and I'm not running it today. I beg all of you to join me tomorrow afternoon, same time, same place, after my rededication ceremony to Yahweh in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. And yes, I'll send links to my rededication ceremony, and I know that I'll be taking pictures myself. So... But first things first, I'm going to let you guys go. And I'm going to go out and live my dreams. I'm going to take my dreams from my head, put them in reality, and go live them right now. So I'll meet you back here in about 24 hours, guys. Yahweh blessings. And I pray Numbers 6, verses 24 through 26 over all of you. See you tomorrow.